Right now, I am going to show you how to use the Shark Stainforce. This is a battery-powered, handheld stain and mess cleaner. Now, Shark did send me this for free in exchange. I told them I would make a video showing how to use it and test it out. Let's start by going over the machine. First, you've got the handle here with the power button on top. One press turns it on and one press turns it off. This is your dirty water tank. You remove it by pressing this button here. Inside the dirty tank, there's a water separator motor and a hair filter on the end. On the bottom is a quick pour spout where you can dump out any liquid easily without removing the entire tank. To put the tank back on, there are two hooks here that will line up and first grab the handle, then you will push it up until it clicks and locks into place. Now the machine comes with two cleaning attachments. You have a stain tool that features standard bristles for cleaning, but it's reversible. Simply pull on the tab near the bottom and then you can flip it around and use the fins, which work really well for more delicate or hairy surfaces. You also get a narrow or crevice tool. This works really great for small or harder to reach areas. Think about behind a desk or maybe behind a chair or a couch. You attach each cleaning tool by lining it up on the machine and pushing it on. To remove it, you press the button on the bottom and simply pull it straight off. Now it is a battery-powered machine, so on the side there is a charging port. You can pull out the rubber tab, plug in the charger, then plug it into the wall. It can take up to 4 hours to charge completely. Now let's go over how to use it and actually clean up a spill with it. With the Stainforce, you get a spray bottle with two cleaning solutions. Remove the caps from the solution, then press the sprayer down onto the bottles until it clicks in place. The two cleaners mix when sprayed and provides extra cleaning power. Here we are going to clean up a fresh spill. You will start by grabbing your Stainforce machine, turn it on, and then press the head of the tool attachment into the spot and then pull backwards. This will extract and pull up whatever liquid was just spilled. Be sure to hold it at an angle so that the vacuum head makes contact with the area that you are cleaning. This will extract that liquid much better. Once you've picked up as much liquid as possible, you want to spray the area with your cleaning solution. A few sprays should do the trick. It really kind of just depends on the size and type of spill. Now you can use the bristles or the fins to scrub. This will get that cleaning solution into the fibers of whatever you're cleaning. Now you want to repeat the extract process. Tilt the machine, press it on the area, and pull it backward. I like to go fairly slow. This allows time for the vacuum to extract as much liquid as possible. From here, you're just going to repeat this process. You'll spray, you'll scrub, you'll extract, and just continue that as needed until you are satisfied with the results. Now when you're all done, it's time for cleanup. So you'll turn off the machine, you can empty the dirty tank using the quick pour spout, and now I'm going to show you how to use the self-wash. So you'll fill up the caddy to the max fill line with fresh, clean water, place the Stainforce inside the caddy with the stain tool still attached, then turn it on and allow it to run until it picks up all of the water and rinses everything out. Now you can dump that water out again using the quick pour spout. Then you can remove the entire dirty water tank itself. Remove the scrub head tool that you used also. When rinsing off the tool, the nice thing is that this cover does come off and allows you to really clean out that tool, getting all of that dirt, debris, hair, anything else that's stuck inside. It allows you to clean it really nicely. Now you can also remove the hair filter and the motor assembly from inside as well. This is a nice feature because it allows you to really clean everything out. Now I do have some other products from Shark. I suggest you check those videos out next. And if you do like carpet cleaners, vacuums, keeping a clean home and things like that, please feel free to subscribe and check out some other videos as well. My name is Drew. I'll see you in the next one.